Welcome back everybody. Today we are plastering the ceiling in that bathroom right there, and we are also plastering the ceiling in the bathroom right here. All of the joints are rolled and taped. Wait, what? All of the joints have been taped up with scrim, and we also have the bolts in the ceiling that have been rolled. As you can see here, angle bead is on, so we are good to go. I also want to share with you guys a little hack that helped me learn how to plaster walls and ceilings a lot more easily, get my finish perfect every time. I'll share that with you a little bit later on, but first off, we need to get the tools out and get some plaster knocked up.
Well, when you're knocking up plaster, make sure you wear a mask, because if you breathe that stuff in, it ain't good for you, so always be safe.
Right, now that we've got the plaster ready, I know I didn't put any a spare bit of plasterboard down to save all the mess. I'll do that for next time. But while we've got the plaster ready, we'll get the first coat on all over these two ceilings, and then I'll talk to you a little bit about this little hack that I've been told about. Hi, Future Roadian here. Now, due to unforeseen, let's say, technical difficulties, I wasn't able to do this video, the tip part of this video, how I wanted to do, so we're going to have to do it this way. Okay, so this plastering tip was taught to me by a plasterer many moons ago, back when I was learning how to plaster, and it involves one of these and generally what you put inside it. This tip really helped me learn, it's all about the timing of plaster. It really helped me learn the timings of plaster. Okay, so what you do is, you've got your boards and everything ready, you put your first coat of plaster on. Oh yeah, while we're at it, let me know down in the comments if any of you would like me to do a how to plaster a wall, how to plaster a ceiling type of tutorial video. Yeah, let me know down in the comments. If enough of you do and you want me to do it, then make sure you're subscribed, and then you might see that later down the line. See, you put your first coat of plaster on the wall, and while you're doing that, you get your mother, your brother, your husband, your wife, your dog, your cat, your werewolf, whatever, to make you a cup of tea and have it set on the side. So once you've done that plaster, you got a nice perfect temperature cup of tea to go with, or coffee or whatever. So you put that first coat on, you sit down, you have your cup of tea. Now, if you're the sort of person that just bolts it or poodles around and just sips away, this might not apply quite as well. But the average time it takes to drink a cup of tea, the average one, you have your cup of tea while that first coat is going off. And then the time it takes you to drink that and get yourself ready, then you put your second coat on. And again, while you're doing that second coat, get your mother, your brother, husband, werewolf, wife, whatever, to make you a cup of tea again. So once that second coat is done, you sit down and you have another cup of tea, have a little chill, take a break, have a Kit Kat, and then once you've drunk that, you're ready to go for that second coat. Give it a good going over, so then you're not iron it out, get everything ready, put your water on it, and whatever. And that is the tip that I was told when I was a lot younger by a really good plasterer, and it definitely helped me step up my plastering game, because I always struggled with timings. Like, I'm sort of like, I'm touching the wall, tapping the plaster, seeing if it's ready, but when you're learning, you don't really know. So that is a really good, well, it helped me out massively. Hopefully that is going to help some of you DIYers out there. Obviously, if you're a professional, then this probably won't help. But any professionals out there, are there any other tips like this that you can share with everyone else watching? So please, down in the comments, let me know these tips, and hopefully you can help some other people out as well while we're at it. So there we go. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more, click this playlist here to see the build of an entire house that I'm doing. Also click this playlist here if you are interested in learning how to lay bricks. With that, I'll see you in the next one. Toodaloo.